Hey, do you run a recruiting business and are you looking to get a little bit more out of your email marketing efforts? Do you feel like your strategy is, I don't know, kind of boring right now? By the end of this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ideas that can help you out to spice up your whole email campaigns. But before we dive into that, make sure you subscribe to this channel for the best online marketing and lead generation advice, specifically for the recruiting and executive search space. And make sure you hit that little bell in whatever corner it is there so you get notified for all my new videos that roll out every Monday and Thursday. So let's talk about email marketing and how we can spice this whole thing up. So number one thing you want to do is stop sending out those traditional newsletters and start sending out personalized messages from an individual. Keep in mind, the whole purpose of having an email list is to actually build a relationship with that list. And people don't build relationships with newsletters. People build relationships with people. So if you want to spice it up, one of the first things you can do is just start sending it from a personalized individual within the company. Now, that's not always possible, but when it is, I highly recommend it. Or that leads me into my next tip is create a theme for your email. Tim Ferriss, he's the writer of the 4-Hour Work Week. If you don't know Tim Ferriss and we've never read the 4-Hour Work Week, it is a phenomenal book. But he has a email strategy that is the 5-point Friday. That's Tim's thing, that every Friday you're going to get his 5 points that he sends out. So consider creating a theme for your list that your market can follow. And that way they're actually maybe looking forward to something. The next tip is get personal. And when I mean get personal, share your thoughts. Don't just dabble into your industry and your expertise, and especially in the recruiting industry, don't just share roles or don't just ask people if they know somebody that's interested in a role. Get creative and share stuff that's going on. Some of my best emails that I've sent out that generated a great reaction and built, again, that connection and that relationship with my audience have been emails that are about my personal life, about me going to concerts, about my dog passing, about my grandfather passing, about my daughter succeeding in school, and finding ways to tell these stories and articulate these stories in a way that is going to build a human connection with people, because that's the whole purpose of the list. And then that keeps it enticing. And then every once in a while, go ahead and drop a bomb on them. Throw your flag in the ground, state your opinion about something. If you hate Joe Biden, say you hate Joe Biden. If you hate Donald Trump, go ahead and say it. I know those are the most polarizing topics you can have, and I'm not necessarily telling you to go politics, but my point is put the flag in the ground. If you have an opinion about something, go ahead and share it, because what you're doing is you're actually thinning your herd at that point. You are attracting the people closer that believe in you, and you're pushing people away that don't believe in you. And when it comes to business, that's how we should be doing it. We should be doing business with people that we know, like, and trust and respect. So don't take that too far. I'm not telling you to go doing political posts. But for example, if you're in the recruiting industry and you believe that contingency is the best way to do it, or if you believe retained is the best way to do it, then drop that flag, give your opinion, and that will keep people looking back for more. So that's your tips for today. This is Donnie Gupton. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Like I said, we're rolling out new videos every Monday and Thursday, all about online marketing, lead generation, sourcing tactics, specifically for the staffing, recruiting, search industry. And I'd be curious, what are you doing to be unique with your email campaigns? Drop a comment below. We'll see you in the next one.